my dream job, I need work experience. I need to develop professional skills, also coaching and mentoring, some certifications and CV rewrite too. Internship opportunities would help me greatly.
Join Momentum. Everything you're looking for in one place. Licensed work tools, personalized career roadmap, work shadowing, weekly coaching calls, practical self-paced trainings, verifiable work reference, career workshops, mock interviews, CV rebranding, and LinkedIn profile optimization. This is the real deal. Why worry about shopping for your career needs when you can get everything and more in one place? Join Momentum is a career acceleration program that focuses on practical training and certifications, work shadowing and experience, coaching and mentoring, and personalized career roadmap. For more details on how to start, call +442 045 380 208 or book a discovery call with us on our website www.joinmomentum.co.uk. Follow us on Instagram at join_momentum UK.
Are you an expert in your field, or do you provide professional services and consultation? Do you have knowledge that someone would be willing to pay for? Do you know how to monetize that knowledge and turn it into a sustainable online business? You're not alone. Many professionals find it challenging to create a profitable online business around their expertise. But now, there's a solution. Subscribe to the Kashmir Skills Consultation app waitlist and download the Knowledge Monetization Toolkit packed with practical strategies and real-world examples that will help you monetize your skills, knowledge, and create a sustainable online income. Whether you're a coach, consultant, author, speaker, teacher, or any other type of expert, this ebook will give you the tools and guidance you need to succeed. Don't wait any longer to monetize your knowledge. Join our waitlist now and take the first step towards creating a sustainable online income. Visit www.cashmyskills.com.
Hello, my name is Victor Shonde. I'm the founder of Join Momentum. Join Momentum is a skills development and digital agency. Our focus is on developing and empowering individuals and partnering with businesses to scale. The Join Momentum Career Accelerator Program is a 6-month work experience program designed for career transitioners, job seekers, adult learners, graduates, or anyone looking to launch or transition to a career in digital technology. The 6-month program provides and focuses on digital work experience, confidence building, portfolio development, and of course, there are other things like CV branding, LinkedIn optimization that comes as part of the program. The reason why the Career Accelerator program is quite impactful is because Anyone that joins the program essentially is applying to work with our team members within the organization at Joy Momentum. You work with our designers, our developers, our researchers, our testers, our BAs, including myself, from a product development perspective. So what you're getting is deep experience and knowledge beyond certifications or training or whatever it is that people get. The exchange program has proven to be transformative for people who have come on the program because within the space of 3 months, we expect you to be interview ready, job ready, and we'll support you with one-on-one coaching, mock interviews. We have a huge portal called the Career Transformation Hub with so much resources and information to help you to, when you land the job, to make sure that you're not just getting the job, but you are able to thrive and excel in the job. On skills development, we have 3 offerings: the Career Accelerator Program, the Bootcamp, and we have self-paced training. Self-paced training allows anyone to log into our website, buy a course, take a training, and get the value from it. Our bootcamps are self-paced inclusive. However, we have instructor-led live training classes with expert coaches from all around the world. Our coaches work with global brands and they have deep expertise and experience in their areas of expertise or discipline. Our bootcamp lasts between 4 to 6 weeks to 8 weeks, depending on the discipline. So if you're looking at transitioning to become a business analyst, user researcher, scrum master, an agile coach, a cybersecurity expert, data analyst, and so on and so forth, why don't you check our website and see one of our bootcamps upcoming? So, are you willing to launch a career in technology, but you don't have confidence, you have no experience, you're not quite sure about your transferable skills, you have no maybe background training, or even if you have certification, you're not sure what those really translate to in the actual, in the practical sense of things? Or are you willing to increase your earning potential, your earning capacity? I'm talking you want to earn 5, 6, even 7 figures in places like Africa, but you're not sure how to go about it. Why don't you check out our Career Accelerator program, right? And the good thing about it, even if you don't want the Career Accelerator program, if it's maybe too expensive or you're looking at pricing, try one of our boot camps and you can upgrade to the Career Accelerator program from there. I'm looking forward to see you there.
Hi everyone, my name is Salaudeen-Abdurauf Shina. I'm a UX designer at Waymaker Digital. Yeah, and I'll be talking to you today about UX design for e-commerce. UX in this world of online business, a well-designed e-commerce website with great UX can make all the difference. And by great UX, I'm talking about the functionality, the accessibility, the layout, and and navigation. All those good stuffs that gets you glued to your website whenever you're online shopping. Yeah, so let's explore some key elements to a successful e-commerce design website. Yeah, understanding user behavior. That's the first key element we'll be talking about. And for you to understand your users, you need to actually carry out user analysis, user flow charts, and behavioral analytics. So the first we'll be talking about is this is where you get to analyze the users, what are their goals, or what are they struggling with, what are their pain points. Yeah, because it's only by doing this analysis, by understanding all these steps, you will be able to empathize with them, understand their needs, and then design the website with their preferences in mind. Secondly, is the user flowchart. You create flowchart and user journey, understand the decision process and points of friction. What you need, why do you need to create a flowchart? For example, you actually need to create a flowchart to help you identify the different scenarios or tasks that users will engage in while interacting with the website. Yeah, scenarios like signing up, like buying a product, searching for informations, or by even troubleshooting an issue. These are different scenarios that actually needs a properly created flow, for you to be able to understand the user's decision process. Thirdly, is the behavior analytics, that's use data, heat maps, and user testing to analyze user behavior and optimize. Yeah, so here you can collect data using heat maps and or analytical tools like Google Analytics tools to gain insights into how users will interact with your product. And by doing this, it will help you understand users' action and their preferences, and also help you improve their experience. Yes. So let's talk about critical UX features for e-commerce. We're talking about clear navigation, we're talking about search bar, product filtering, and the checkout process. Yeah. So talking about clear navigation, it's simple. A clear, simple, and intuitive navigation is vital for users to easily find what they are looking for, right? So basically, a simple navigation will enhance the overall user experience on the website. You get? So take this as an example. Yeah, when a visitor comes into to your website, an e-commerce website, right? They typically have specific goals in mind, like finding a particular product and actually purchasing them, right? So imagine if the navigation is quite confusing, the navigation is mixed up, they can't easily move and they can't easily move from point A to B, it becomes hard, it becomes very hard for them to easily find what they are looking for. Yeah. So at that point, if you are the user, what will you do? You bounce out. That's a negative experience right there. Yeah. So you need to actually make your navigation simple and clear to the point, so that when users come onto your website, they quickly find what they are looking for and make their purchases and get satisfied. Yeah. So the second is a search bar. A smart search engine searches the entire catalog, add filters, suggest products, autocorrect typos, and provide results as you type. So let's start from what the search bar does. I know we are all quite familiar with search bar. We use it every on our websites and all that. Yeah. So a search bar serves as a convenient and efficient way for users to find specific products they are looking for. And so when a search bar is smart and what I mean by it being smart is when it's fully optimized, it has filters, it suggests products while typing, it autocorrects your typos and stuff. It makes it easier, like it makes the life of the user easier, you know. They easily locate their items quickly. It saves them time and effort while on the website. So it saves them a lot of headache. Yeah. The third one we'll be talking about is the product filtering. And this is a faster way to find desired products by allowing parameters including price, size, color, and brand. When you have a filter section on your page, yeah, it's allow the users to narrow down their search results based on different parameters as stated above, like prices, the sizes, colors, and even you know this product filtering makes it easier for users to quickly find products they are looking for. It's also help in reducing the time and effort required for them to browse through numerous items on the website. So this is a great way to improve the user's experience and keep them glued to your website. Yeah. So the fourth one is checkout process. A streamlined, easy checkout process with different payments and shipping options. Yeah, if when you get to streamline your checkout process, by reducing the number of steps required for customers to complete their purchase while on your website. This will do them a great deal. For example, when they want to pay right after checkout, what they're expecting to do is to pay and put in their details and keep it simple. This will By doing this, you are going to be avoiding users bouncing out and abandoning their items in their cart. And also you should try and offer multiple payment options. You can use Paystack, you can use Amazon, you can use Apple. Different payment options so that you can accommodate different users' preferences. Yeah. So let's talk about design best practice for e-commerce. We have simplicity. Less is often more, right? Too much information and cluttered pages can distract the users from the core purpose of the website. Yes, you actually need to keep your designs as simple as possible. You know, make use of a simple and clean layout that highlights your product and important informations only. You know, when you do this, you're trying as much as possible not to overwhelm your users with too much information, right? Because when you get to load them, overwhelm them with too much information, it gets distracted from the main purpose of being on the website. So, like I said, less is actually more. Yeah. So then we have visual hierarchy. You know, arrange elements such as images, text, CTAs to show their relative importance, guiding the user's attention to important elements. Yeah. When you use a visual hierarchy to guide users' attention to key elements first, you know. So, for example, when a user comes in onto your website and gets into the product page, the first thing that should catch their attention should be the image, right? The image of the product they're trying to buy. That should be the first thing to catch their attention. Then we can have the price. Then we can have um, the CTA, that's the call to action, which tells them to buy, and every other thing. Then we can have the product description. You get, so these are different. This would be arranged at a level of importance it is to you and to them, because by putting all this in place, it will help improve their experience, to make it easy for them to understand and engage with every content on your website.
Star feature on this episode: Salaudeen-Abdurauf Shina. He is a user interface, user experience designer who is passionate about solving actual problems. He creates useful products with meaningful and aesthetically pleasing designs. In Join Momentum as an associate, he has worked with different teams across board, namely designers, business analysts, scrum masters, software developers, to research, merge, generate ideas, and create unique high-quality design solutions via SaaS product offerings to better serve user needs. Projects worked on at Join Momentum: Firm's seed web and mobile app design, Join Momentum website redesign, ingenious platform, virtual experience job portal. On his advice to anyone joining Join Momentum, he would say it is a place to be for everyone. They have so much in store to offer. Amazing team spirit and great resources are available for you to become the better version of yourself. Join Momentum is a safe place for you to grow your skills, network, and get practical work experience that will enhance your portfolio, thereby making you a more competitive candidate in the job market. His hobbies are traveling and exploring.
Yeah, so we have color scheme. Use a CTA should be clear. You know, it should clearly communicate the desired action to the user. You know, you should try as much as possible to avoid using big grammars. You don't want to confuse them, right? You want them to actually make a decision at that point. So you should try and as much as possible to use a straightforward language, like, for example, pay now, continue, explore. These are straightforward language for them to quickly understand what they need to do to proceed from that point. When you use big grammars, you get them confused, and of course, you don't want to get your users confused. Yeah, websites to adapt to needs to adapt responsively to different screen size and dimensions. In this age and time, many users prefer to shop on their smartphones due to the convenience and accessibility that comes with it. Most people do this. I do that, you know. And so, since for us coming into reality, since we know most of our users are going to be probably shopping from their phone, just less people are going to be actually shopping on their laptop. So you need to be able to give your users easy access to your product. So by doing that, you need to test users' experience across various screen sizes to guarantee a seamless experience. Then we need to look at thumb-friendly navigation. Navigation should be easy to reach with the thumb, with icons that are large and clearly labeled. So when you design a thumb-friendly navigation, right, it shows that you are prioritizing accessibility and usability for mobile users. You know, we know most users will actually navigate with their thumb. So when you use a thumb-friendly navigation, it helps improve user satisfaction, and it will also improve in their experience. So you should also use large and clearly labeled icons so as to reduce accidental taps and also accommodate the average size of the thumb. Sorry. Yeah. So talking about no pop-ups, pop-ups are interstitials and can be intrusive and annoying, so especially on our mobile device. So minimize or altogether remove them. Everybody, like every one of us, must have gone through this phase, which I'm going to time quite annoying because when you go to a website and you try to buy some stuff, click on pay, you get a pop up advertising something different from what you're trying to do, and it's always the annoying part is it's always very difficult to close that tab because the moment you keep closing, another one keeps coming up. It's it's frustrating, to be honest. At some point, you just get to abandon that website, like just abandon it and move on. So you need to actually try. That would be great. But if you can't, please don't make it frequent. Make it very minimal, very minimal, so as to allow your users to enjoy the experience on your website. Yeah, so we'll be talking about testing and analytics next. Analytical tools, um, analytics tools, use Google Analytics and other tracking tools to monitor the site performance, such as bounce rates and user flow, to make data driven decision. Yeah, using analytical tools like Google Analytics, to gather data about user behavior and interactions with your products, um, will help make data-driven decisions, right? For example, Google Analytics is a popular web analytics tool that help keep tracks and reports website traffic, right? So with this, you can be able to gain insights into users' engagements, popular pages, bounce rates, and so on your website. So secondly is A and B testing. You know, test different designs, layouts and copy to see which works better. This methodology can provide insights and optimization of the website. Yeah, we do this very well at Waymaker when I and my colleagues and are designing. We task ourselves to go back and design different, bring come up with different designs, and can even change the layout, of the same page, so that when we meet up back the next day, we compare, we check it out, and we see the one that actually works better for what we are designing for. So and also you can also achieve this by dividing users into group and showing each group a different version of your design, to know which actually works better. Then we have usability testing, observe and ask real users to perform tasks, you know, collect feedbacks and measure the success rate of a task or conversion. This takes actionable insights based on actually interactions. Yeah, I think we do make use of maze in this situation when we work, for us to actually test. Yeah, maze is actually is a usability testing tool that will allow you test different designs on their platform, right? And you recruit testers to come on board. You can pay them. I think there's a fee for you to recruit testers to come and actually test your product, and they give you feedbacks. So, but one key thing is usability testing should be conducted at various stages of the product development cycle. Yeah, you should test it early for you to identify major problems on the website. Also, you should test later as well, so that you can help validate your design decisions and fine tune the user's experience. Then we've come to a conclusion. Consistency in design and branding will help improve users' experience and makes the website memorable. Less is more. Keep it simple, easy to navigate, but provide all the necessary information for your users to actually see and use. Then testing never ends. So always test your products, always test your website on a regular basis, optimize it, and improve on the user's experience. Thank you.
The Joy Momentum Career Accelerator Program is a 6 months work experience program designed for career transitioners, job seekers, adult learners, graduates, or anyone looking to launch or transition to a career in digital technology. The 6 months program provides and focus on digital work experience, confidence building, portfolio development, and of course, there are other things like CV branding, LinkedIn optimization that comes as part of the program. The reason why the Career Accelerator program is quite impactful is because anyone that joins the program essentially is applying to work with our team members within the organization at Joy Momentum. You work with our designers, our developers, our researchers, our testers, our BAs, including myself, from a product development perspective. So what you're getting is deep experience and knowledge beyond certifications or training or whatever it is that people get. The exchange program has proven to be transformative for people who have come on a program, because within the space of 3 months, we expect you to be interview ready, job ready, and we'll support you with one-on-one coaching, mock interviews. We have a huge portal called the Career Transformation Hub with so much resources and information to help you to, when you land the job, to make sure that you're not just getting a job, but you are able to thrive and excel in the job.
Are you an expert in your field, or do you provide professional services and consultation? Do you have knowledge that someone would be willing to pay for? Do you know how to monetize that knowledge and turn it into a sustainable online business? You're not alone. Many professionals find it challenging to create a profitable online business around their expertise. But now, there's a solution. Subscribe to the Customer Skills Consultation app waitlist and download the Knowledge Monetization Toolkit packed with practical strategies and real-world examples that will help you monetize your skills, knowledge, and create a sustainable online income. Whether you're a coach, consultant, author, speaker, teacher, or any other type of expert, this ebook will give you the tools and guidance you need to succeed. Don't wait any longer to monetize your knowledge. Join our waitlist now and take the first step towards creating a sustainable online income. Visit www.cashmyskills.com.
To get my dream job, I need work experience. I need to develop professional skills, also coaching and mentoring, some certifications and CV rewrite too. Internship opportunities would help me greatly.
Join Momentum. Everything you're looking for in one place. Licensed work tools, personalized career roadmap, work shadowing, weekly coaching calls, practical self-paced trainings, verifiable work reference, career workshops, mock interviews, CV rebranding, and LinkedIn profile optimization. This is the real deal. Why worry about shopping for your career needs when you can get everything and more in one place? Join Momentum is a career acceleration program that focuses on practical training and certifications, work shadowing and experience, coaching and mentoring, and personalized career roadmap. For more details and how to start, call +442 045 380 208 or book a discovery call with us on our website www.joinmomentum.co.uk. Follow us on Instagram at join_momentum UK.